My dear viewers, now discuss rusting of iron is a chemical change. The reddish bound deposit from on iron objects is known as rust. Okay, the chemical reaction of rusting can be represented as iron, that is symbol Fe, oxygen O2 plus water H2O, that is the form rust, that is Fe2O3 X H2O. X is the number of variable number, that is 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. That is the new substance formed out of the reaction. The color of the substance of the iron also change. Hence, rusting of iron is a chemical reaction. For example, damage of sieve. The example of rusting. So the picture, the proper example of rusting. Okay. Thank you, my dear viewers. Any query, please comment in box. Thank you.